This here is a Rheem water heater. You can tell that it's electric because it doesn't have a vent coming off the top and it has a power supply coming to the water heater. If you're looking for information on the water heater itself, your data plate here is going to tell you the serial number, the model number, and the size of the water heater. Depending on the make and model of the water heater, they may or may not list on here what the date of the water heater is. This one does. It was installed in August of 2017. Some of them that don't, you have to go to the website of the manufacturer and look up the date of the water heater, so that's just something to consider. This will be your most common tank type water heater. It's a tank type electric water heater. Majority of homes are going to have a standard gas or standard electric water heater. They don't have quite the warranty that a Marathon or a tankless water heater would have, but they're usually way cheaper than a Marathon or a tankless water heater. So if you're looking for something for a single family home where it's just you and your kids, 1 or 2 showers here or there instead of multiple showers, traditional 40 or 50 gallon water heaters can be what you want.